Join me as I dive into the challenge of uncovering 500 Sonali Murgi secrets that you probably never knew. Sonali Murgi is a popular bird in poultry farming, known for its high productivity and ease of care. But what makes it so special? Today, we are going to explore the lesser-known secrets of Sonali Murgi and discover what makes it a top choice for many farmers. Many people think they know everything about Sonali Murgi, but the truth is, there are many misconceptions about its care and productivity. For instance, some people believe that Sonali Murgi requires a lot of space to roam, while others think that it's a high-maintenance bird. But the reality is that Sonali Murgi is quite adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments. In fact, one of the biggest challenges people face when raising Sonali Murgi is not providing the right nutrition. Many farmers don't realize that Sonali Murgi has specific dietary needs that need to be met in order to maximize its productivity. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are many other common misconceptions about Sonali Murgi that can lead to subpar results. Another common challenge is not providing enough social interaction for Sonali Murgi. These birds are highly social and need to be around other birds in order to stay healthy and happy. But many farmers don't realize this and end up keeping their Sonali Murgi in isolation, which can lead to stress and health problems. Despite these challenges, Sonali Murgi remains a popular choice for many farmers. But what makes it so special? Let's dive into some of the lesser-known facts about Sonali Murgi. For instance, did you know that Sonali Murgi is an excellent source of protein? In fact, it's one of the highest protein-containing birds in the poultry industry. Sonali Murgi is also a slow-growing bird, which means that it takes longer to mature than other breeds. But the slow growth rate actually has its advantages. It allows the bird to develop a more robust immune system and a better overall health. In addition, Sonali Murgi is highly resistant to disease, which makes it a great choice for farmers who want to minimize their risk of disease outbreaks. And did you know that Sonali Murgi is also a great forager? It's able to forage for food on its own, which reduces the amount of feed that farmers need to provide. But the most surprising secret about Sonali Murgi is its incredible egg-laying ability. Sonali Murgi can lay up to 300 eggs per year, which is significantly higher than many other breeds. And the best part is that these eggs are incredibly nutritious, making them a great addition to any farm. This ability to lay so many eggs is a game changer for farmers. It means that they can increase their productivity and profitability, without having to sacrifice the health and well-being of their birds. In conclusion, Sonali Murgi is a bird that's full of surprises. From its high protein content to its incredible egg-laying ability, there are so many secrets about this bird that are just waiting to be uncovered. What do you think about Sonali Murgi? Have you ever raised one before? Share your experiences in the comments below and let me know what you'd like to learn more about in future videos.